Welcome guys, another in the series. Today we're looking at simplifying algebraic fraction. What it is fraction, but it involves algebra. And you know, algebra is the mathematics where we use letters to represent numbers. Alright, let us begin. Students always have problems with things like this, like you have x plus 5 divided by 3 plus x plus 2 divided by 4. Now what CSEC normally do is to say simplify in its lowest term. Now just as a fraction, we approach it, we find the LCM of the denominator, so the lowest common multiple. So that will be 12. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. Put a bracket around this. And remember, bracket means to multiply. So we will multiply 4 times x and 4 times 5. So 4x, 4 plus 4 times 5 will be 20. Then we come back. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. We do the same thing, we expand the bracket. So 3 times x would be 3x, and 3 times 2 would be 6. But we're not finished yet. We have 4x plus 20 plus 3x, but what we need to do is to group the like terms. What do I mean by that? Like, group all the x's and all the whole numbers. But remember, you must bring the sign that is in front of it. So 4x plus 3x plus 20 plus 6, all divided by 12. Now 4x plus 3x will give us 7x, and 20 plus 6 will give us 26 over 12. And that will give you 2 or 3 marks, depending on the year. Let us look at another one. Let's draw a line. Alright, this one I'm gonna do a subtraction just to clear up certain things. So let's go. Say we have 2x minus 1 upon 3 minus x plus 5 upon 2. And the same instruction, simplify in its lowest term. Now, as we said before, we find the lowest common multiple, which is 6, and that will be a denominator throughout. So 3 into 6 goes 2 times, so we expand it. 2 times 2 would be 4x. 2 times negative 1 would be negative 2. Alright, so 2 into 6 goes 3 times. However, we will not be multiplying by a positive 3, but a negative 3. So negative 3 times x would be negative 3x. Negative 3 times 5 would be negative 15. And then we can simplify. So it would be 4x, group them and simplify. 3x minus 2 minus 17 upon 6. 4x minus 3x would give us x. Negative 2 minus 17, both of them are negative, so we add them and keep the sign. So it would be negative 19 upon 6. And that would be the answer. Now we're going to look at another case where the algebra part is in the denominator. Students normally struggle with that. So we're going to look at that right now. Let's clean it. Let's start off simple. Say we have 3x plus 2 plus 2 over x minus 5. Now you may be wondering, how can you find the denominator of this? The LCM rather, of the denominator. Now what we can do, we don't know what x is, but we know that whatever it is, this can go into this. So it will be x plus 2 and x minus 5. So we use the denominator as the lowest common multiple. So x plus 2 into x plus 2 times x plus 5 would leave this, right? Let me just show you how it works. It's like you have x plus 2, x minus 5. So there we have x plus 2. So this will cancel this, right? So this will leave. So we have 3 times x minus 5 plus x into this. X plus minus 5 into this would leave x plus 2, right? I'll demonstrate that over there, so I don't need to wonder if you guys know. Now we can expand the bracket. So 3 times x would be 3x. 3 times negative 5 would be 15. 2 times x would be 2x. And 2 times 2 would be 4. And remember, all on the else the denominator, x plus 2 and x minus 5. We are not finished yet. We need to simplify, group and simplify, right? So let's go. It will be 3x. We have plus 2x here, so we put the plus 2x minus 5, 15 plus 4. And we divide by x plus 2 and x minus 5. So this will give us 3x plus 2x is 5x. Negative 15 plus 4 would be negative 11. I will keep the denominator. X plus 2 and x minus 5. And that would be the answer. Alright guys, just go over the steps. We're gonna do one.